Some of these barely run. Some shouldn't even exist anymore. But every one of these classic projects is priced between $750 and $2,000, and a few could shock you with their potential. 1. 1968 AMC American Rambler. This 68 AMC American Rambler is a full-on restoration project, but it's complete, and that's the key word here. It's powered by a 232 cubic inch straight 6 with a 3-speed column shift manual, which already gives it some real old-school charm. It needs a full restoration from top to bottom, but everything is reportedly still there. For $1,200, this is the kind of forgotten classic that could quietly turn into something really cool with the right patience. Two. 1964 Jeep CJ5. Here's a classic short wheelbase Jeep that doesn't currently run, but it comes with a bonus, an extra engine that does run and goes with the deal. It's a 64 CJ5 with a manual transmission, some rust like you'd expect, and a clear title. At $2,000 or best offer, this is a true hands-on project Jeep where the real value is in the drivetrain potential and the iconic body style. 3. Roofless 1950 Pontiac Roller on S10 frame. This one is pure wildcard project energy. A roofless 1950 Pontiac body mounted loosely on an S10 frame sold as a roller, but it does come with a clean Iowa title with matching VIN. It also includes a pile of vintage accessories like skirts, visor, spotlight, stoplight viewer, and even under hood and trunk work lamps. For $1,000, this is either the start of a wild custom build or the wildest garage decoration you'll ever own. Four. 1968 Ford F350 Flatbed. This heavy-duty F350 flatbed actually runs and drives, powered by a 360 V8 with a 4-speed manual transmission. It's being sold with a clean title and is described as needing some work, which is about as honest as a project truck description gets. At $1,400, this is serious old-school work truck territory, perfect for a rat rod hauler, farm build, or shop truck idea. 5. 1940 Chevrolet WA 1.5 ton. This one is a beast. A 1940 Chevrolet WA 1.5 ton truck that runs and yard drives with a long list of new brake parts already installed. Wheel cylinders, rubber hoses, master cylinder, and seals. It still needs rear hardlines and rear shoes relined. It pulls fuel from the original tank, which is in good shape. There's no title and the frame is rough, but it also comes with a half-ton chassis and another running 216 drivetrain. It's $2,000 firm, and this is straight-up hardcore vintage truck project territory. Six. 1946 Ford Truck Project, Rat Rod style. This 46 Ford truck is being sold strictly as a project, but it's got the right bones for a rat rod build. It rolls easily for trailer loading and comes with a lot of solid original pieces. The cab and doors are in good shape, the grille is there, and there are extra front fenders and a hood sitting in the bed. There's no title, only a bill of sale, so this one's clearly aimed at someone planning a custom build rather than a factory-correct restoration. Seven, 1974 Chevrolet El Camino. Here's a budget V8 El Camino project with a 350 under the hood. The body is said to be straight with rust under the passenger floor, but no rust in the bed and solid metal around the windows. At just $1,000, this is the kind of project that could easily turn into a budget street cruiser or a fun shop build without breaking the bank. Eight, 1969 Fiat 124A convertible. This little Italian roadster is a full rebuild candidate. The engine is included but will need a complete rebuild, and the seller is upfront that what you see is exactly what you get. The plan was a full restoration, but time ran out. At $1,500, this is a lightweight classic convertible project for someone who wants something very different from the usual American iron. Nine, old El Camino. This one is as raw as it gets, an older El Camino listed for just $750. It's being offered mainly as a trade for a good running four-wheeler, but the price alone puts it firmly in budget project territory. At this level, it's all about whether the bones are good enough to justify saving it. At $1,500, this is a lightweight classic convertible project for someone who wants something very different from the usual American iron. Ten, 1950 Dodge Wayfarer. Rounding out this list is a 1950 Dodge Wayfarer with a clear title. It's equipped with a 6-cylinder and an automatic transmission, but it does not currently run. The seller originally bought it as a fun project but had to let it go due to medical reasons. It even comes with engine and transmission books, which is a nice touch for anyone planning a proper revival. At under $2,000, it's a classic Mopar project that still has a lot of potential. Which one would you save if it were your money on the line? Drop your pick in the comments, hit like if you enjoy real budget projects, and I'll see you in the next list.